Welcome back to Pantech e-learning platform. This is R. Divyanjali from Pantech e-learning. Pantech is a place where a student can innovate, implement as well as experience different innovative ideas in real time. First, I would like to welcome each and every participant over here. So I welcome all. Vanakkam, Namaste. Very good evening everyone. Assalamu alaikum. All over the India, we are having the students, we are having the participants. I would like to welcome each and every participant to the session with very warm evening. Yeah, most of the people were waiting before the session starts. It shows that you people are so much excited or enthusiastic to listen the session, right? Very happy for that. So very good evening everyone once again. I hope my voice is audible. Am I clear? Yes, my dear participants, please do reply. Is my voice is audible? I want to tell you one thing clearly, my dear participants. Before the starting of the session itself, I am intimating you, this is not your regular classroom session. Okay? We are going to make the session so much interactive so that we can learn something practically. We can also share our knowledge to all over the India. We are having all over the India, we are having the participants, so we can share our knowledge, right? So I think all of you are replied like it is audible, right? Am I clear? Fine. So without any delay, we'll move on to the today's session. So we are going to start Data Science 30 Days Masterclass session, that is 2.0. We already had n number of programs in Pantech e-learning. Let it be Python, Advanced Python, Full Stack Java, which is going on right now, and machine learning with Python. We had n number of programs till now. Again, we have come up with one more new trending field, that is Data Science 30 Days Masterclass. Although we have finished a few content in the first version, now we have come up with new ideas, new projects, new implementations that we will be discussing in the next 30 days, right? Fine. What we can learn over this 30 days, what is this masterclass and what is this data science, that and all we'll discuss now. Yeah, first of all, let us know what is this masterclass. Generally, we are having the sessions for webinars or 1 hour, 1 day, workshops also if you consider, it will be for certain time only. But 30 days duration is not simple, right? But what we will learn in this 30 days? So let me tell you that thing. What is this masterclass? This is a 30 days industrial learning activity. Just 1 minute. Yeah, I think the screen is clear right now. Fine. We are discussing about what is this masterclass. So it is a 30 days industrial learning activity program. It's totally purely online YouTube live sessions. So if you invest 45 minutes in a day, within 30 days we are going to make you practically learn what is this data science, how we are going to implement data science, everything you will be learning. The only thing is you have to give us the time, right? Only 45 minutes in a day if you can spend over this masterclass, you are going to master the data science. Fine? Fine. Let us move on to the next slide. Here comes Pantech. You might have, I think, almost all over the India aware of Pantech. because we are conducting different workshops all over the India in different colleges, university level, everything, right? So Pantech is an educational equipment manufacturer company. So it can manufacture IoT, AI, robotics, autonomous robots, and microprocessors and microcontrollers, DSP, VLSI, embedded systems, power electronics and drives, fuel cell trainer kit, renewable energy lab, and electric vehicle lab. So we also provide technical training in different technologies in different domains also. We also provide DAY projects also. Fine. So what is the main vision of our Pantech e-learning platform? We are here to help 10 million students to learn the technology in the easiest way. There are 100 more websites also there if you can check in internet. But our uniqueness, Pantech uniqueness is we are helping the students, all over 10 million students, to learn any technology in the easiest way. That is what our main intention or our main vision is. Fine. So we are associated with APSS DC, Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation, and this is my profile. This is R Divyanjali. So I'm good at Python I'm a Python developer in machine learning with Python. Next, I also have a good knowledge on data science application and also OpenCV. And right now I'm working as senior project developer in Pantech e-learning. What are the languages I'm having a good knowledge? Python, HTML, CSS. Next is tools. Anaconda Navigator tool, qlikview. These are the tools I am working on right now. Fine. Here is an announcement to all the participants before the starting of the session itself. So you will surely get the attendance form. I know most of the students are very eagerly waiting for attendance form, right? You will surely get by 7:30 or 7:40 for sure. Okay. And we also give you an e-certificate by the end of the series. It means in the complete 30 days, if you attend 25 days session, you are going to get the e-certificate from Pantech e-learning, and also 25 days attendance is required to get the masterclass participation certificate. It is very mandatory to attend 25 days session. I hope it is clear. Fine. So what we are going to learn from the next 30 days, that is what we will see now. Yeah, here is a day-wise plan. Complete 30 days we are going to see what are the things we are going to learn. We are going to see here. Okay, fine. I hope the screen is visible, right? So data science.
remove this now.
Yes, I hope my voice is audible. There is a small issue with the presentation, that's why we could not, we got some disturbance. Okay, please don't mind, my dear students, my dear participants. Fine. Yeah, so we are going to discuss about day-wise learning plan, right? So we are going to have 30-day session, 30 hours, right? So from day 1 to day 30, what we are going to learn, let us know first of all. Then we will have some clarity what we can get by the end of the session. Okay, first day 1, that means today. Okay, we are going to discuss about the introduction for data science and industrial requirements along with its applications, basic applications. Okay, on day 2 we will be discussing about the language. What language we are going to discuss, that is Python. Okay, what is the use of this Python language for data science? In data science, that we will be discussing about the very basics of Python language. Followed by the third day we will discuss about Python fundamentals and overview with examples. Next, implementing different library files of Python language in Jupyter notebook, that is Pandas library file, NumPy library file, Matplotlib library file, and Seaborn and scikit library file. So it is going to cover till day 7, right? So we'll discuss about library files along with its examples also. On day 8, we will discuss about logistic and linear regression and its importance in data science. Followed by we'll discuss about machine learning, different algorithms, among that support vector machine and decision tree algorithm. These algorithms in detail we will be discussing. So I got a comment like there is you cannot hear my voice. Can you hear my voice? Am I audible to all the participants? Please do reply, my dear participants. Yes, am I audible to all the students? Yeah, I got a message like please don't read the agenda. But it is our basic rule to read the agenda because every participant has to know what we are going to learn in the next 30 days, right? So just wait for a few minutes. We'll move on to the today's session and discuss in detail. Yeah, all are active. All the participants are very much active. Very nice, sir. Fine. So we are at day 10, machine learning algorithms, decision tree algorithm we are going to discuss. Followed by on day 11, we'll discuss about deep learning techniques, bagging and boosting and its importance. Followed by we will discuss about deep learning library files, TensorFlow, Keras and its importance. Followed by neural networks, what are the different neural networks available, basically what is a neural network and what is its importance, what are the different neural networks we are having, how to implement them, that and all we'll discuss on day 13. Followed by day 14, we will discuss about importing and manipulation of data. If we consider some amount of data, how we are going to work with it, how we are going to manipulate it, that is what we will learn over there. On day 15, we will learn the concepts on Excel sheet with data science. Fine. So we have come up to the second half of our agenda where it's going to be practical oriented sessions. Okay. So on day 16, we will discuss about the concepts of data science regarding data frame, functions and data preparation. On day 17, we will move on to a tool called qlikview. So we are going to use this tool to analyze the data. Previously in Data Science 1.0 version, there we might have learned something about Power BI, Tableau, right? Here we are going to learn about qlikview. Yeah, so sorry for the interruption. Next, on day 18, we learn about qlikview concepts and the usage of this tool in data science domain. On day 19, we will go with an application of NLP and its importance in data science. On day 20, we will discuss about the applications. We will start discussing about the applications. Completely, you are going to have 10 plus projects in this master class. Okay. The first case study is cyber money laundering detection. Second one, anomaly detection, heart disease prediction, Myers-Briggs personality prediction, spam classification, movie review classification, customer segmentation, emotion detection, wine quality prediction, Twitter dataset classification. These are the projects we are going to give you. Okay. Fine. What these projects are and what these problem statements basically representing, what is the importance, that we will discuss on further classes, further sessions. Okay. Fine. So here comes our day 1 agenda. Yeah, so we are going to discuss about introduction to data science and its industrial applications. So before starting, let me tell you one thing. As today is the first day, we are going to have some theoretical session. That is okay. Okay. From tomorrow, you can work along with me. Like whatever I am instructing, you can just type that. You can execute the code so that the practical knowledge you can gain. Okay. If you go on listening, it will be like a story only. Right. So please make the session interactive. If you are getting any doubts or any queries at any point of the session, you can just raise your hands or ask your questions in the comment. At last, I will check the queries and answer you as soon as possible. Right? Fine. So we are going to discuss about introduction to data science and its industrial applications. First of all, we will discuss about this word data science. It is a combination of two words, data and science. Okay. Data means in general terms we can consider data in the sense any information, any message, any input, right? Binary data, decimal, any type of input data we will consider. Science. What is this science? Scientifically analyzing the data. Okay, it is nothing but scientifically analyzing the data. Okay, fine. Let us know in detail what this data science is. Fine. What you are going to get by this data science. Okay, first of all, let us know what is this data science, next where it is used, and how to deploy data science. Okay, fine. Data science is a combination of data and science. Okay, we will collect some input data, and we are going to extract the useful insights from the total data. If we give some 100 lines of input data, among all that, whatever the information it is used for extracting the data, that data it will be filtered. That is what this basic definition is. Okay, fine. So you can see here you can see some input data in binary format. Next you can analyze the input data, right? Yeah, so where this data science has come from, what is the history behind? So he was the first person to use this data science to put forward this language, Geoffrey Hinton. So he is called as the godfather of deep learning in the field of data science. What is the difference between data analytics and data science? We heard about data analysis and we also heard about data science. There are very basic small difference between both of them. Okay, fine. Both are used to analyze the data, that is similar point. Fine. So data science is a branch or field of computer science where this technology extracts the useful insights from the given data. From all over the given data, it will consider or it will filter out the data which is used for any analysis. Okay, basically it is used in almost all the companies to analyze what is the business strategy, whether it is going to increase or decrease. Such type of analysis we can do by using this data science. Data analytics is just a subset of data science. It's just a part or an application which basically used for analyzing the data graphically. Here comes my question. Let me see how many of the participants can answer it. Why we have to visualize the data? This is the very basic question we have to know, right? So let me see who is going to answer me first. How many of you are answering the question? Why we have to visualize the data in graphical format? Any answers? Yes, any answers? You will get the notes, you will get the PPT, don't worry about that. Let me know whether you are listening the session or not. Yeah, is anyone answering? Very good. Most of the students answered. Very good. Let me see who answered first. Babuji and Starka. Okay, Babuji. For easy understanding. Very good answer. And all of the students also whoever answered. For easy understanding of input data, we are visualizing it in a graphical format. Once again, I am telling you, we are visualizing the input data in graphical format just to make the system understand our input data in the easiest way. A system has a capability of understanding the data, that too graphical data, in the simple way. That's why we will visualize, even though if it is large amount of data also, we will visualize every attributes, every functions data in graph. That is the advantage of graphical visualization. Yeah, moving on to the next slide. So this is the basic diagram all of us has to know basically. Okay, we might have heard about AI, robotics, machine learning, Python, OpenCV. All these are interlinked with each other. We'll see here what is this data science. Basically, it is a combination of all the things, right? All the technologies, all the branches or all the subsets. It is a combination of everything over here. If you can see the screen, right? First of all, we'll discuss about AI, where we will insert our human brain intelligence into a small computer so that it will work same like our human brain, right? It is not a simple task, that also we know. That's why number of research development works are going on. Under that research and development works only, we got certain domains like machine learning, deep learning, OpenCV, NLP technique, all these domains came into existence. Okay, so here you see in data science, it is a combination of machine learning, statistical mathematics, business analytics, business software development and computer science. So combinedly all it forms some data science field, separate field has been formed. Okay, fine. So what are the top industries which are hiring for the position of data scientist? What are that? Airbnb, it is located in California, main branch. Next, Apple, Facebook, IBM, Accenture, Microsoft, Amazon, TCS, Deloitte, Wipro, Google, Uber Technologies, Lyft, Genentech, Capgemini, Intel, all these are the company. Among all these, we might have known till 10 to 12 companies we already know, right? Right. So among all these, all the companies are looking forward for the skilled people basically. So we have to gain the skills basically. Most of the people will be thinking that why I am not getting job, I am not satisfied with the job, how can I apply for this role, right? These are the questions will run for each and every graduates, whether you are degree, BTech, MTech, PhD, also the same question will run, right? Fine. So the first thing is we need skills. If our skills are matching to the company profile, company requirement, our profile is matching to the company requirement, then 100% will get job. Our job is to gain the skills. Okay, so that is what our job is. Learn to gain some knowledge on skills. Okay, improvise your skills day by day, then only you will be improved. One company or the other, for sure you will get the opportunity one day, right? Fine. Yeah, moving on to the next slide. Here comes the applications of data science, where we can use this. First thing is manufacturing companies, and next transportation, marketing and advertising, banking and financial sectors, healthcare, education, data mining, image analysis, pattern recognition, speech recognition. How? These are the industrial applications we are having, but how it is implemented? How? Something like manufacturing new products, right? There also data analysis to be done. Transportation. First, suppose if we wanted to know whether the traffic is heavy or not, whether we can go by that route or not, right? In that cases also data analysis is important. Marketing and advertising. For this purpose also it is very mandatory to analyze what is the sales, what is the product, whether the business is increasing or decreasing. For that also data science is important. Healthcare. Why? To identify the genomes like healthcare issues, diseases, for that also we need data science. Education. In the education sector, how data science is used? In something like analyzing the student performance or analyzing whether the student is active or not. For that purpose we use, okay, data mining, image analysis, pattern recognition and speech recognition. These are the various applications of data science, okay.
Yes. So for session 5% confidence center. So session 1 is
Yeah. I did not speak anything, my dear participants. So sorry for the inconvenience. There was a small technical issue, that's it. Please don't mind. I hope. I did not speak anything, my dear students. Just wait. Yeah. We have discussed about applications, right? Now let us move on to the next slide. Yeah. Data science warehouse. Warehouse means what? Am I audible now? No, session is not over, my dear participant. It is still there. We did not finish anything yet to finish off, right? Can you hear my voice? Am I audible? Am I audible, my dear students? Am I audible? Yeah. Fine. All of them are active, very active. Thank you so much for that. So we are discussing about data science warehouse. Warehouse is nothing but we are accessing the input data from various sources and we are storing them. After storing, we will filter the data, right? Whatever the data it is needed, that data we will filter over this warehouse. Okay, you can see here in the graph itself we are analyzing or we are taking the input from different sources. After that we are analyzing the data by filtering. After filtration only we will be analyzing the data graphically. Okay, so you can see the slide. Next, what can be done with data science? First of all, we will visualize the data in graph. Then we will analyze whether we are going to get profits or losses, right? So that is what we will be learning. Next, after that, we will get the predictions for future data, for future implementations, whether we can implement this or not. So certain predictions are very much important, right? Fine. Let us move on to the next slide. Yeah, here comes the basic demo on this data science. I have considered something like Bitcoin. So you can see this. So analyzing Bitcoin predictions. Bitcoin means, yes, what you know about Bitcoin, my dear audience, my dear participants? See, my dear participants, I am once again telling you, this is not your regular classroom boring session, okay? This is going to be somewhat interactive session. So please communicate with me in the comment, so that I can also understand how many people are really interested to learn something. How many are active in the session? That and also I can get. Yes, anyone is answering? Do you know Bitcoin? Currency. Gamers, MK Gamers. Sheikh Anwar, very good. Lalit Girase, very good. Rahul, Ganesh, Naveen, stock market, Ajay Kumar, very good. Let me see who is the first answered student. Shanmukh. Yeah, Shanmukh is the first person, right? I got the person. Shanmukh is the first person who answered. It's a cryptocurrency. It is nothing but digital coin or digital currency, okay? Where we can spend for multiple cases at once, okay? Why this Bitcoin has come into existence is because we can invest on something like stock market basically. So we do not know when we invest something on a stock market, when we will get high, when we will get loss. Suddenly we may get profits, at the same time suddenly we may get losses. If we know at what criteria we are getting profits and at what criteria we are getting losses, then we will take a precautions, right? Take some precautions like, at this time I can invest so that I can get more profits. For suppose if I invest on this particular time, I may get loss. That is what our human estimation might be wrong, might be 50-50 chances of getting, right? But machine giving predictions are accurate accurate predictions. Okay, that's why this Bitcoin predictions has come. Okay, this is one of the use case, very important application. Okay, let us see how it is going to work. First we will collect the Bitcoin information. If we want to predict any data, if the system wants to give some output, first it should have some input as well, right? So where we will collect it from? Generally we will collect the input from online websites. Okay, that is clear. Next thing, our input data should be past information. Okay, we will collect all the past information regarding this Bitcoin. Then we will install the software. Generally we will work in Anaconda Navigator software, in Jupyter Notebook editor window in Python language. Okay, fine. Now create a project in any of the editor windows. In Anaconda Navigator we have n number of editor windows, something like Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, VS Code, RStudio. In all this you can implement. Okay, that is your interest, which tool you want to learn, which editor window you are interested. Okay, next, so create a project. Now apply some pre-processing functions to my input data. Then what we have to do, we have to analyze the data graphically just to make the system understand my data in the easiest way. Okay, followed by the sixth step where we train some of the algorithms to understand what my input data basically consisting of. Why we have to train? Why? Because for suppose if I give some input data to the system and if we ask the system to give certain predictions, do you think it can give any predictions? No, it can't predict any, because it is just a doll. We humans have created that system. It's like a doll. Whatever the instructions we give, it will access the information. That's it, right? That's why we have to train the algorithm, train the system. That's why we train the algorithm or system with our input data. Then if we give some new inputs, future inputs to the system or algorithm, it is going to give me the accurate predictions, right? So this is how the process is going to be held. Once again I will tell you, we are discussing about a demo project, right? So what is the demo? Bitcoin prices. Okay, analyzing the Bitcoin data predictions. Yeah. So how we can analyze this? First we have to collect the Bitcoin information of past recorded data. Using that we have to collect the input data. Next we have to install the software as well, where we have to work. Next create a project, apply some pre-processing functions so that we can make our data to be as simple as it can be. Next is we will analyze the data graphically just to make the system understand our data in the easiest way. Next is training. So we are training the system or algorithm to make that understand what actually my input consisting of, followed by some of the testing input data we are giving. Then it will give me the accurate predictions. This is how the application or the demo works. I hope everyone understood. Do you have any doubts till now? Any doubts till now? If you are having any doubts, please let me know. Difference between training and testing. One of the student asked difference between training and testing. Durga Prasad. Very good question. So the basic difference is we are having some input data, right? If we give directly the data, the system will just access it. That's it. It does not do anything. That's why we have to divide our data into two categories. One is training category, the other one is testing category. Why we have to divide is because if we directly give some input data and ask the system to predict any information, the system can't predict that much. It doesn't have that much capability to predict the information, right? That's why we will train it first of all. Then we will give the testing data. That is a new data. Testing data is a new data. Okay. When we give this testing data, no, it will take as a new input data. It will compare with the previous training data set and going to give me my predictions, output predictions, accurate predictions. I hope you understood, Durga Prasad. Am I clear with the point? Can you please know, let me know whether you have understood or not. Please do reply. Yeah, how can you instruct how to can you instruct how to install software in our laptop? Yeah, for sure we will instruct you in the coming sessions. Basha, right? We will instruct you for sure. Okay. Next, any more doubts till now? Yeah, how to run, how to install, everything we will tell. Jai. Next, any queries till now? Yeah, you are asking some link for Anaconda installation, right? That also I will share you in the description. Don't worry. Yeah, system will train with the help of training data. Testing data means new data. Okay. 8 steps once again explain, Manikanta. Okay. What we have done here is, yeah, so what we have done here is, we are collecting some information, then we have installed the software, then we are creating a new project, apply some pre-processing functions to my input data, then it is simple, ma. We are analyzing in graphical format, next training the algorithm, next whenever I give the new data, it will give me the output. That's it. Understood, ma? Am I clear? We will provide you the notes, PPTs, PDFs, everything we will provide. Don't worry about that. Yeah, okay, fine. Let us move on to the next slide. Yeah, so the objectives of 30 days masterclass is, this is over. Yeah, we are going to make you all the participants to create 10 projects. So you are going to learn 10 projects, not only theoretically, you are simultaneously going to develop the projects along with me. Okay, so in this 30 days 10 projects you are going to learn practically. Remember that thing. Next, we are also providing 1 month internship in Datascience 2.0. So first thing, internship e-certificate will be given for 30 days internship on data science. Next, highly organized video content also will be provided. You can even download the files, download the PPTs, materials, and write some assignments. We are also giving you some assignment questions. Please do attend them. At least try to give the answers. Okay. And you can access that at any flexible timings of yours, because you may be something like students, maybe some research scholars, right, faculty, anyone it is, you can access it anytime according to your comfortable. Next, we can access, the access period is given for 60 days from the date of payment. Okay, fine. Next, what we are going to get in the 30 days, what are the projects we are going to develop is cyber money laundering detection, anomaly detection, heart disease prediction, Myers-Briggs personality prediction, spam classification, movie review classification, customer segmentation, emotion detection, wine quality prediction, and Twitter database dataset classification. Fine. Okay. So how to enroll for this 1 month internship is, we will be giving you the link in the description. You can just register over there. Fine. So after internship registration, what you have to do is log in to the pantechelearning.com, then access the videos on daily basis for the next 60 days, practice the concepts and submit the assignments, which is very most important. Okay, ask your doubts in the VIP group. Group link is available in your dashboard. Okay, now finish all the videos and download your certificate from your dashboard. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be a sample internship certificate, which is very value added to your resume. 100% it will add a very good value to your resume. Okay, fine. Next slide. So the projects which are included in our internships. First one, cyber money laundering. What do you mean by, let us know first of all, what do you mean by cyber money laundering? Okay, we might be doing some transactions to our friends, right? Friends, family, neighbors, anyone it is. Okay, but suppose if I am transferring some amount to some other person, an amount of 2000, we will consider an example, 2000 rupees I am transferring to some of my friends. Okay, one friend, let us consider one friend, I am transferring the amount. but at the back end it is debiting more amount, something like 4,000. So that is called cyber money laundering. So such type of frauds we will find over this using this data science. Fine. Next is anomaly detection. Anomaly in the sense the word itself describes us something like negative content. Okay, that negative content we have to find. Okay, where the problem is, how it is going to be resolved. That is what we have to detect it. Next is heart disease prediction. Okay, this is the very unique title I have. What this means, we generally can implement in three ways. One is we can implement using machine learning algorithms. Second one, we also implement the same input, we also can work with the same input using neural networks as well. But the third thing, which is very unique, that is we will work with heartbeats, sound as my input. So taking a sound as my input, taking a heartbeat as my input, I have to know whether the patient is having heart disease or not. That is the very unique title, unique use case project. Okay, that also we are going to discuss in this master class. Next, Myers-Briggs type indicator. This is nothing but personality prediction. In a day we will be speaking with n number of people. We may have different kinds of friends. Let they be introvert or something like serious, happy, overexcited, like that. People will be of different kinds, right? So we have to know with what kind of a people we are speaking. So that is what this project is, personality prediction. Yeah. So next is spam classification. All of us have mail accounts, right? Gmail accounts. Okay. In that we have certain options like inbox, spam, primary, right? All these are there, right? Spam means what? Negative. Okay, spam means negative. If we get some messages, okay, what it will do means it will categorize the important mails to the inbox and negative content to the spam folder. Okay, that is what spam classification is. Next is a very good important application which all of us are very much interested even, right? Movie review classification. What is the latest movie you have seen, my dear participants? Let me know. What are the different latest movies you have watched? Yes, please do reply. This is not your regular classroom session. I have already told you, right? Yeah, I want to know what is the latest movie you people have watched. Let me see who is going to answer me first. Anyone answered? Brahmastra, Sitaram. Yeah. Very good. So how we are going to that movies, generally analyzing that? How we will be going? Based on reviews or trailers, right? Or maybe something like fan followers, or something like music addicted people. Correct? No, based on the trailer or based on the reviews, generally we go, right? So here also taking a review as my input data, I have to categorize whether that movie is going to be hit or flop. Okay, that is what we have to classify in this application. I hope everyone understood this. Next. Yeah, customer segmentation. We have n number of companies in our market, right? Whether the company is reaching the customer needs and necessities or not. That is what this customer segmentation is. Okay. First, what we have to do is understand the customer need. What is the customer need? We have to know first. Okay. Then group the customers by need groups. So, what is this part of or this client's need or this customer's need? We are grouping according to their requirement. Okay. Next, identify the most wanted customer need. That is what we have to identify. Next, develop a unique value propositions by segments, like unique products or unique users, not users. We can tell like unique products. We can develop unique products, then develop that unique to the market strategies, like apart from all the companies, what uniqueness you are bringing to that product, what new you are going to do. That is what this customer segmentation is. Okay, fine. Next is face emotion detection. So we have different emotions, right? We will be happy, we will be sad, we will be question mark. When teachers explain on the board, how do we generally keep our reaction? Question mark. They can't identify whether we are sleeping or not, right? We will be opening the eyes, but we still sleep. We'll be somewhere in dreams, right? So that is what, that emotions we have to detect. Happy, sad, angry, laugh. We have to train with the images, then we have to detect whether the person is happy or sad or angry or laughing or curious, like that. Okay, fine. Next, wine quality analysis. Okay, we have to know the quality of wine, whether it is more content added, less content added, like that. Here you can see the diagram. This is called correlation map, which describes the relation between every two attributes present in my input data. Everyone is very much eagerly waiting for attendance link. I can understand that. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll wind up the session. Okay. Okay. Fine. Let us move on to the next slide. I hope I am giving the best content itself. Are you people feeling bored? I think the session is interesting for you people. Yeah, please let me know whether it is okay, whether you are satisfying, whether you are learning something or not. If you like the session, please put heart symbols. Let me see how many of you are liking the session. Yeah. So next is Twitter data analysis. What is this Twitter data analysis means? We will be posting in some social medias. Let it be FB, let it be Instagram, or let it be Twitter. Okay. We will post some posts, right? Right. Let it be with friends or neighbors or family members. When we post it, we will get some comments whether the picture is good or not. Positive or negative comments will get. It is awesome. It is not good. I think the background has to be changed, like that. Taking that comments as my input, whether it is positive comment or negative, that is where the sentiment analysis we are doing. Okay. So how we will do is, we will collect the input data. Next we will apply deep learning neural network models. Then we will evaluate the data and provide, or decision will be taken. Okay. We will predict the information whether it is positive or negative. Okay. Fine. Let us move on to the next slide. Yeah. Here is a general slide. This is the general slide. Data science competitions that are being going to held in 2022. First is Kaggle, Codalab, AI Crowd, BitGrid, Driven Data, Innocentive, Idaho, Top Coder, IronWiz. These are all the different things that they are going to provide the competitions. All are basically the basic use or the basic competition rule is they want something new to be explored. Okay, so they want to encourage the people with new ideas and get some new challenges in the field, particular field. Fine. Fine. So here comes the real-time challenges. What are the present real-time challenges in this data science field? First one, cryptography forecasting, scheduling the Christmas movie marathon, time series forecasting, medical image segmentation, starfish identification. These are the real-time challenges that they are still working on. There are no particular proper solutions for this. If you are really interested in this, if you are learning something in practical day to day, you can work on this, you can do some research, then you will get some output. For sure, one day or the other, you are going to get the output. Okay, fine. These are the real-time challenges. Next, here comes the task. Yeah. So please note it down, whether it is in paper or in text format, in messages, anything, you can just save it as. Please take down the task. First thing, I am asking you the questions right here. 3 questions I have displayed. You just note down the questions, and tomorrow at the start we will recapitulate what we have learned today, what basics we have learned today, and also I want to know which student is going to answer me the first answers. Okay. So first question is, what is data science in simple words? Let me know. Can anyone answer in simple words? In your own way you can answer. Who is going to answer me the first in comment? Let me see. What is data science? What is data science? In simple words, in your own way. This is not an examination to give you marks, right? This is like interactive. How much you know, that is what you have to tell, okay? Data science is a branch of CSC. Very good. Very good. Who is this? Kambampati. Okay, very good. Fastest answer. Next, combination of data. Okay, data and science. Very good. Collection of data, visualizing data, data plus science. Vishwa Yadav. Very good. Good try. Collection of data. Yes, most of the students answered collection of input data. Okay, fine. Who is the father of data science? Do you remember? Yeah. Who is the father of data science? Who is the father of data science? Who is going to give me the first answer? Come on, speed up. Who is going to give me the first answer? Father of data science. Someone answered me, wait. Geoffrey Hinton, very good. Ishani, very good. Really very nice. Fastest answer. Next, what is the difference between data analytics and data science? I don't want paragraph answers, copy paste answers. You can tell in your own words. Okay? Yeah. Let me see who is going to answer this. What is the difference between data analytics and data analysis? Sorry, data science. Who is going to answer? Few people are answering data science. What about data analytics? Let me see. A data analyst makes sense out of existing data, where a data scientist works on new ways of capturing and analyzing data to be used by analysts. Super, Praveen. Very good answer. So basic difference is data science means we not only analyze, we find predictions. But in data analytics, we just analyze the information to know the profits and losses of a business. Okay. Very good, Praveen Chaudhary. You are the first one who answered this question. Very nice. So next slide is some interesting news about data science. What is the current latest trend in data science technology? Data science field is automated machine learning, which is also called auto ML. So this is the latest trends in data science. Next, who is #1 data scientist in the world? In the complete world, who is the first one? Who is the first data scientist? Yann LeCun. He is a computer scientist who was born in France in 1960. He is the best known for his work on convolutional networks, and his contributions to NLP, mobile robotics, machine learning and computational neuroscience made him so popular. Fine. Let us move on to the next slide. Here you can see how to enroll into 1 month internship. So here is the fees, $9.99. Coupon code also will be given for you. You can use this coupon. Now the registration fees is given here, and the link also will be given in the description. So you can just click on the link, register. After that you can enroll for the internship. Then you can access the videos, content, everything. Okay. For any queries also, we are going to support you. For the next 60 days, we will be supporting you for that. Okay. Any types of queries, support, any development of new ideas, anything, we will be supporting you for that. Okay. Fine. Yeah. We have come up to the last slide. So before this, let me first know any queries. Any queries, my dear participants? Any queries? Can you teach in Hindi? Yes, of course I can teach in Hindi, Telugu, English. As this is the first day, I try to tell everything in English. If you are comfortable in your own languages, I'll try. Not complete session, in between. Wherever you are not understanding, I'll try to tell in Hindi, Telugu, English. No issue. Someone asked me, do we need any coding skills to learn data science? Basically, we need some language knowledge. Okay, that also we will explain you from the 0th state. Okay, 0 level. From the 0 level, we will be guiding you. Don't worry about that. Projects will be included in the internship as well as live sessions also. but for best support you can take internship. Why? Because live session will be only for 1 hour. We can't finish within 1 hour 100% code, right? So if you register for internship means we will be guiding you, like till the completion of project our guidance will be there for you. For 60 days duration, right? There is a difference. I don't have laptop, so can I use it in my phone? No, we cannot work in phone, okay? You need to have system for sure, okay? So I hope no queries. Right? Yeah, if you still have queries also, you can just let me know in the tomorrow session as well. No issue, I will be available for the next 30 days. Okay? And if you really like the session, please do like, comment, share to your friends who are really interested to learn this data science. And also subscribe to pantechelearning, which is giving the support for 10 million students all over the decade. It's being conducting different sessions, right? Just for make the students analyze how to build their career. Okay, fine. And last but not least, I thank each and every participant over the session who made the session so much interactive. Thank you all. Thank you each and every participants over the platform. Thank you all. Tomorrow we are going to learn about Python language and its importance in data science. Okay. I hope everyone will be on time, right? So thank you all. Have a very nice time. Have delicious dinner and take care. Good night.